Hello and welcome to my tutorial on JavaScript. Today we are going to cover everything you need to know about this versatile programming language, from the basic to advanced topics. So let's get started with the basics. What is JavaScript? Simply put, JavaScript is a scripting language that runs on your web browser. When you load a web page, the JavaScript code on that web page is executed on your browser, allowing it to add interactivity and functionality to the page. It can also respond to user input, modify the web page content, and even communicate with the servers to retrieve the data in real time. So where can JavaScript be used? So JavaScript is not just used for web development. It can also be used for building desktop apps using Electron.js. You can use React Native to build Android and iPhone apps. You got React.js to make animations, and then you got Node.js, which enables you to use JavaScript for the backend as well. Okay, now let's write the first line of code. For this, I'm opening Chrome browser. So right click within the browser and click on Inspect. On the right hand side, you will see the console tab. Click on it, and we're going to write the JavaScript code within the console tab for this demonstration. And for future videos, I will show you how to install a code editor and write the script on the code editor itself. Okay, so now let's write the first line of code. I will type in console. So console represents this area of the browser. So within this, I want to log in a value. So I'll type in .log and I want to enter in a string value. So I'm opening double quotes. So within that, I will type in hello world. Okay, so let me type in hello world. And then once I hit enter, you should see the result in the next line.